Hello, guys. Welcome to the Sexy Saturday and the 50th episode of Only Positive News, got to you by the Nut and the Shrink. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you about my T-shirt. This is a T-shirt of my own photograph on me. So first of all, Dr. Anjali Chhabria, psychiatrist, is there something wrong with me that मैं खुद की T-shirt पहन के आता हूँ show पे? Something
You
wrong
know,
with me?
I think I was the first one who discovered that there was something wrong with you. I was 4 years old when you were born.
Okay.
I knew there was something wrong with you, and that's why I decided to take up this profession.
See, I've inspired people to follow their passions. So now coming to the good news, एक तो बहुत crazy news आ रही है सबका से. So New Zealand, has last 3 days there has been no case of corona. They have declared it corona free. In fact, to celebrate that, the mayor of some city in New Zealand, they went to the highest point, bungee jumping. Oh, super! Zack करके से bungee jumping to celebrate यार. अरे Emirates Airlines has said from May 21st they're going to start close to 9 flights from 8 cities across 8 countries. So from USA, Europe, Australia से flight zak करके सब धीरे-धीरे करके सब चालू हो रहा है यार. अरे उस दिन 4-5 दिन पहले सीतारमन ने वो जो फाइनेंशियल पैकेज को 5,500 करोड़ का दिया, उसमें बोला कि टीडीएस, इनफैक्ट जेन्युइनली आई सॉ द, कल मुझे एक चेक आया कहां से, मतलब ट्रांसफर आया पैसा, एंड यूजुअली दे डिडक्ट 10% कमीशन टीडीएस, सॉरी, बट दे हैव डिडक्टेड 7.5% डिडक्ट, तो 2.5% मुझे ज्यादा मिला. एंड फॉर अ सिंधी लाइक मी इट मेक्स एन अमेजिंग, मेरे को बहुत फायदा पड़ता है. और दूसरी एक और चीज है कि द ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी इन तमिलनाडु हैव गॉन अप टू द पुलिस एंड सेड वी वांट टू हेल्प इन सम वे. सो द पुलिस हैज टोल्ड देम यू गो टू द लोकेलिटीज एंड एजुकेट पीपल अबाउट COVID. And in fact, they have given them passes and proper masks and all that. And they said they will spend as much as 8 hours on the field trying to, teach the other people and to educate about COVID. Oh, superb news, Arya. Anjali, do you have also any news to share?
Yes, I was talking to my friend in New York this morning.
Okay.
And she told me that finally, New York has been really bad.
Yeah.
But she said finally she has more plasma than patients.
Wow.
That means the treatment has been working, and right now they have less patients.
Wow.
And they have more plasma. So in fact, I told her, I said, flight mein bhej dena please.
So usually now, so usually what happens, they should 2 bottle duty free के लोग alcohol लेके, they should all get 2 bottles of plasma and give it away here. But yesterday, Anjali, as we were discussing about the anxiety caused in COVID. So first of all, tell me, how is the COVID anxiety different from other anxiety?
So see, what happens is a person suffering from this coronavirus, it's like we feel ki, oh, it's just a flu. But actually what happens is, normally if you have a flu, you have 10 people pampering you, somebody asking you for water, someone taking care of you, somebody checking your fever.
Yeah.
Here, what happens is a person has to be alone. Okay. And that is something that a lot of people are getting scared about, that they will just be locked away alone and they will not be able to see anybody again.
Okay.
Plus, the second fear is, the horror stories that we are listening to, you don't know who can become serious.
Okay.
So people feel, especially old people feel that, oh, if I get this virus, I will just be taken away to some hospital and I will die over there. Okay. So also the third thing, what is happening is that, if you fall sick, you have malaria, you have dengue, you can go around telling everybody, "Arey, mera platelet count itna kam tha,"
Correct.
But if the minute you're diagnosed with COVID positive, you almost feel like a criminal, as if you've gone and done some horrible things that you've got it.
In Thailand में चिक करके आए हो, वहाँ से कुछ disease लेके आए हो, हाँ.
Exactly, it's like as if you've got HIV or AIDS. So what happens is, the minute the person, ek to fear of getting COVID, half the times, there are people in the fear only, they get so anxious. So in fact, I've had people who've said that we are so relieved that we finally got it. That we were waiting for so long, ki ho gaya ek baar, and it was not so bad.
Okay.
All those videos also which are circulating, everybody saying, it was not so bad.
Correct.
And then you're treated like a criminal. Police comes to your house to pick you up.
Yeah.
Okay. And then your neighbors, the way they start looking at you.
They put that, the police comes and puts that poster on your house also, that this is a COVID sort of
containment zone.
Containment zone, yeah.
As if there are some gundas or people who are contained over here,
Correct.
And then also, the stigma of this is so bad that the other day I was trying to help this poor guy get admission into a hospital. The minute we did that, and I said, chalo, finally now I can go to sleep. Again in half an hour, he called me up. He's saying, I have another problem. Neither my wife is taking me back home, neither my mother is taking me back home. Where do I go now? True story.
Yeah.
So it's like, I said, this now I don't know how to help you. So the stigma of somebody suffering is so bad that the neighbors start looking at them, everybody starts looking at them as if they're criminals.
But
So
I've seen,
obviously,
sorry to say, I've seen some
yeah,
cases which have come out where the neighbors are clapping for them, they are welcoming them and things like that. So I think that's a very positive thing which
yes,
people should do.
yes,
Correct. Yeah.
absolutely. So people have to treat it like any other illness.
Yes.
Okay. But of course, the problem is that people are only talking about the fear of it, and nobody knows what to do actually if somebody, turns out positive.
Yeah.
And especially in a place like Bombay, see, the reason why people are taken to other places is because we don't have places to keep people there. Like if somebody had a 10-bedroom house, then you could have said, chalo, one person live in this room and don't come out.
Correct.
Today, because in Mumbai we don't have place, so that is why the municipality comes and takes you and keeps you in one room all alone.
Correct,
But actually also what happens is, when you're sitting all alone, I've been trying to counsel people who are in this entire phase where they are staying alone, okay, in this quarantine phase. Okay, and they go through so much of boredom, anxiety, because they're not feeling well, and they have to take care of themselves. Then they also keep worrying, have we given it to someone else?
Okay.
So in that, it's extremely important that not only are they calm and comfortable, okay, but they're also maybe sitting and playing games or talking to their friends, watching movies,
Yeah. Just 2 days back, I had put up a news where a maths professor somewhere in Leh, he got COVID, but on May 3rd, and he was actually teaching students when he got COVID. He was put in a hospital, but he requested the hospital authorities, and they in fact put up a video camera and a board in the hospital room. So while he's getting referred, at least 2 hours he comes and he teaches them maths still while he's getting treated for COVID. Actually, so this is what people are doing also.
Yeah, which is very important. We have been telling all the hospitals also that please make sure that these people are entertained and they have something to do.
Correct.
In fact, I was actually this morning, I was thinking of COVID activities for people to do, give them work which they can sit and do while they are in quarantine, because you're doing nothing and there's nobody besides you. So that's why the fear increases.
And what if can you give some 2-3 suggestions whose family suppose gets COVID, somebody in the family member gets COVID, or somebody very close or a close friend gets COVID? How do we handle it, emotionally and mentally, or that way?
So the first thing is, which people don't do, is they're so scared to get tested because they feel, what if it comes positive? And then they live in denial कि नहीं सिर्फ सर्दी है, सिर्फ बुखार है, सिर्फ पेट खराब है, मैंने कुछ गलत खाया होगा. I had ice yesterday, that is why I have a cough. The first thing is to accept that yes, it can happen to anybody. Correct. So it can happen to me, it can happen to you, it can happen to anyone. Now once it happens, talk to the doctors. Don't start popping in medicines to suppress it, thinking ki, if I suppress it, it's going to be all right.
Correct.
Okay. Talk to the health authorities. Also, right now the policies, I think, of course, they change every day. But as of what it was yesterday, it was that if you have mild symptoms, you can be treated in the house.
Okay.
But talk to the doctors. Don't pop in antibiotics. Because sometimes it's a virus. If you pop in antibiotics, you may suppress your immunity even further.
Okay.
So just do what the doctor is telling you. So if your family doctor is telling you to get checked for it, please get checked. Okay. The next thing is, if the authority is telling you that, okay, you need to be staying somewhere else, or your family members need to be checked up, okay, just remember they're doing it for your good. मतलब उनको कोई शौक नहीं रखा है that they're just coming to your house and picking you up and paying for everything,
Correct.
So cooperate with the authorities, okay? And the next thing is, you need one person to be calm around. If there's one person who's calm around and who takes it as any other illness, that is important. So comforting the patient is important, as well as being relaxed and calm is important.
Correct, because as we have all seen that these are the cases, a lot of cases are getting solved. India, I think 2 days back the health minister said that India has a recovery rate of close to 32%, which is one of the highest. So whatever, so I think this is, it's not क्या आ गया तो सीधा ऊपर राम नाम सत्य नहीं है, मतलब क्योर है उसका, and as just follow the orders, and that's it यार, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, अभी shrink and Nana दोनों आ गए, तुम लोग का सब problem solve हो जाएगा. Okay, any other last words you want to say, Anjali, before you leave?
No. You know, this morning when I came into the show, I decided to wear glasses because I wanted to look older than you. You know,
Of course,
because
you're
we
older
hear
than
it
me.
all
Yeah.
the time. Na? No, I think have a good weekend. You know, we should be celebrating. So many weeks are already over.
Yes,
You know,
this
there was a
Saturday.
time.
Yeah.
Yes, there was a time we thought, God knows what will happen, and 2 months are getting over now. So
Correct.
I think
Correct.
we should celebrate the fact that we are alive.
Yes, let's celebrate on that, guys. Bye. See you guys. Take care. Stay safe. Stay positive, and we'll be back. Are kal Sunday ko I will be doing Instagram live. Now Shrink and the Nut will come back again on Monday. Okay, guys. See you. Take care. Bye bye. See Anju. Say bye to them. Look at the camera and say bye because you're old. You don't know where the camera is. Okay. Bye. See you. Take care. See you.